Welcome. Today I'm going to be cooking. Today I'm making Mangalore's favorite snack, goli bhaji. The required ingredients are 1 cup of maida, 1 green chili finely chopped, a few curry leaves, 1 inch of ginger chopped, half teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar, salt as per taste, 1 cup of curd, water as required. Now let's begin with the method. The first step is to take a clean bowl. To this we'll add maida, we'll add our baking powder, sugar and salt. Let's mix all these dry ingredients together, and now we'll add our green chili and curry leaves and our ginger, finely chopped ginger. Let's give it a good mix. Now we'll add 1 cup of curd and mix it nice. And now let's add the water. So we have to only add water till it is a thick, slightly thick paste. Continue mixing until everything is well combined and rest it for an hour. This is our batter after an hour. We are going to fry it in hot oil. We fry the goli bhaji until it is golden brown. The goli bhajis are ready and it is best served with coconut chutney or any kind of chutney and tea.